People are paying developer thousands of dollars to build an AI app. What I'm about to show you today is how to build the same literally for free within next 5 minutes. So you come to this site called as lovable.dev. As you can see the interface, it is pretty simple and pretty cool. You come down, you can see some of the free resources they have. You can take inspiration or you can just remix it, and basically that's it. If you come to the pricing plan, they have the free version and they have 3 tier. You can choose whatever you want. So simply hit sign up and get started. It is similar to ChatGPT. As you have seen the interface, you just need to write the prompt and you can literally build the app within a snap. As you can see, it is saying ask Lovable to build an internal tool, dashboard, prototype, whatever you want, you can build it. Now you can skip the introduction part. I don't like to give my data to you. Now here, let's say I ask him, build me a futuristic social media dashboard. Okay, and now here let me give him some inspiration. So I will go with the modern dark UI. Let's take some inspiration from here. If we go with the image, let's see, I like the green mist UI. I will go here and I will copy this image. I will come here and you paste it here. Let's fix some grammar. This accept. Okay, everything is good. Now I have just written a very generic prompt. You can describe it as much as you want. Now hit the submit and it is going to do the magic for you. All you need to do here is just sit back and wait and let the AI do its magic. Okay, here we go. As you can see, the dashboard looks pretty sexy and it has this hover effect and it shows the graph in a very subtle and smooth way. It has the tabs. Okay, so I think so we need to provide more detail so that it can build pages for you. And now I'm pretty much happy with the output. As you can see, it looks good enough. It gives you a community bar and it shows you everything, literally everything. Now the best thing is what you can do. You can attach a database in it. If you go from here, you can see Superbase. You can connect Superbase here. You can add the knowledge here if you want some sort of reference and everything. You can add some plugins if you want. Now basically I leave the job to you to explore and make tweaks according to you. The best part is you can go from here and literally hit publish and it will publish the site on a subdomain, and if you purchase your domain you can publish it on your main site. The best thing is it is fully mobile responsible. I know that. And if you want to see, you can literally hit here. Let's copy the link and let's come here and paste. Okay, the dashboard looks pretty great. If I go from in here to inspect and let me just minimize it, looks good. Come to the tablet version, looks good. Into the mobile version, it looks literally cool. This is literally going to save me hours, and I know it will save yours as well. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.